Welcome back everyone. Today we will fix our asymmetric face. So most of the time, one side of our face looks flatter. For me, it's the left side that appears flatter than the right side. So first we will work on the flat side of our face. Start by cupping your palms like this. Place the fingers right beside your lip corner and slide up till your cheekbone. Slowly as you slide up, drop your jaw down. This movement should be very slow. Keep moving towards the mandible. Don't apply too much pressure. Glide slowly and keep repeating the movement. Repeat for 10 to 15 times. Do this exercise 3 to 4 times a day to get rid of flat cheek and get a fuller cheek. If your hand hurts, you can continue doing it with another hand. This way. Now the side that appears droopy, let's work on it. Place the heel of your palm on the temple and hold it like this. Don't overstretch. Just place your palm firmly and tuck your lips around your teeth like this and move your jaw up and down. You can do this movement for 1 minute daily for at least 3 to 4 times a day. If you feel that the side of your face appears too droopy, let's move to the flat side of the face. Place the heel of your palm exactly on the jawline. Now place your palm flat on the cheek, applying firm pressure, not too strong, and move like this. This movement helps in plumping the cheek by working out on the cheek muscles deeply, making it stronger. Moving to the droopy side of the cheek, let's lift with pinching technique. Lift and slide towards the temple. Now let's lift our entire face. Place your palm on the temple like this, applying firm pressure. Wrap your lips around your teeth and move your jaw like this. Don't squeeze your head. Practice all these exercises 3 to 4 times a day. Keep pampering, and I'll see you soon.